Welcome to JH. So, the Cencora data security incident settlement is finally here, and it's time to figure out if your personal life is worth a few bucks. Apparently, the Lash Group, a branch of Cencora, had a bit of a security oopsie that exposed the personal information of people all over the United States. Because nothing says, "We value your privacy," like letting anonymous strangers browse your private data without permission back in February 2024. Even though Cencora and the Lash Group swear they did absolutely nothing wrong, they've graciously agreed to cough up a $40 million class action settlement. It's the corporate version of saying, "I'm not sorry, but here's some hush money to make the lawyers go away." This means if you were affected, you can get paid even if the court never officially calls them the bad guys. If you received a notice in the mail or just have a sneaking suspicion your identity is currently being sold for a nickel on the dark web, you might be eligible. There are two ways to get your slice of the pie. First, there's the documented loss payment, which reimburses you for actual money you lost or fees you paid because of this mess. You could get up to $5,000, though there's a total cap of $5 million for the whole group. So let's hope not everyone was hit at once. Then there's the cash fund payment, where you get whatever is left after the lawyers, administrators, and the government take their massive cuts. It's basically the digital equivalent of finding loose change in the couch cushions. Filing a claim is actually simple, which is probably the most shocking part of this story. Just head over to censorsettlement.com to do it online, or use actual paper and a stamp if you're feeling nostalgic for the 20th century. Just don't procrastinate. The deadline to submit is January 19th, 2026. If you'd rather keep your right to sue them yourself, and good luck with that, you have until December 18th, 2025 to opt out. Otherwise, you're officially part of the club and you give up any future legal gripes against the Lash Group regarding this incident. Don't go spending that imaginary money just yet, though. Payments only go out after the court gives the final thumbs up and all the inevitable appeals are handled. The big day in court is February 5th, 2026, in Philadelphia before Judge Cynthia M. Roof. If everything goes smoothly, payments should start shortly after that. For all the boring fine print and to file your claim, visit censorincidentsettlement.com. Thanks for sticking around till the end. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates, and try to keep your data to yourself next time.